If you want a way to easily show your viewers what is going to be inside of the video that they can jump ahead to, you can do that with Vidalytics chapters. And what is really cool is that it shows up here on the seeking bar like this, so that we can say, hey, at this part of the video, it is all about set up your free split test. Here it's book your call. Here it's how Vidalytics boosts conversions. So that is how chapters look like on the seeking bar, but also they will be here under this little kind of chapter icon where somebody can jump right to it and they can start getting that action of basically whatever is available in that video for them. So let me show you how to set this up in your account. So if you're in this settings page of your Vidalytics account, you go to you go to settings, and at the bottom, chapters, they're new. That's why I didn't know where they were, right? All right, you can enable them or disable them by turning these off. They're gonna go away, they're gonna be sad, they're gonna be grayed out, they're not gonna be there. But when I enable them back, we don't delete that data out from your account, they're still in there. And you basically put the timestamp that you want, you put the title of what it is, and then they're gonna be here in the settings bar or on the player seeking bar. So chapters are really cool. A lot of videos on Vidalytics are for video sales letters, video funnels, things like that. But what these are really good at are for things like product videos, explainer videos, course videos, things where people need to kind of really understand what's going on inside of the video so that they can kind of jump and drive to the point that they want to as they wish. So if you want chapters in your video, it takes a few clicks in Vidalytics to set it up. Thanks.